and it goes. Success is considered a miracle to those who are not successful, and a dream come true to those who are successful. Praises to those who defeated fear, fear to fail, fear to set free the lion within them. They ate persistence. They ate persistence. It tasted like violet rays on a naked skin, but it gave birth to resilience. Praises to those who spent countless nights in the library. They survived through hard work. How beautiful is the sensation of education through aspiration from generation to generation. Praises to those who reached the top of the Kilimanjaro and screamed with triumph, knowing that something fundamental inside of them has changed. Praises to our honorable